Hi kids, in this video we are talking about healthy and unhealthy foods. Broccoli, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, because rich in fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. Burger, healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, often high in saturated fat, sodium and calories. Apple, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, high in fiber and good for digestion. French fries, healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, deep fried, high in unhealthy fats and salt. Vegetables, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, full of nutrients, fiber and low in calories. Sausage, healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, processed, high in sodium and saturated fat. Fruit salad, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, contains natural sugars and vitamins. Soft drink, healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, contains a lot of sugar and no nutrients. Fish, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Sweet, healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, high in sugar, may cause weight gain and dental issues. Dairy products, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, good source of calcium and protein. Snacks, healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, many are processed, salty and oily. Eggs, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, high in protein and essential nutrients. Ice cream, healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, high in sugar and fat. Nuts, healthy or unhealthy? Healthy, healthy fats, protein and fiber. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.